Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting 500 g pork into 1-2 cm cubes and seasoning quickly so flavor penetrates. This prevents overcooking later. Once done, heat 2 tablespoons oil until shimmering and add the pork in a single layer to brown fast. Make sure to sear just enough to develop color. That Maillard reaction builds flavor even in a wet fry. As soon as each side browns, remove briefly. This step sets texture before the liquid turns the meat tender. Next, you sauté 1 onion and 3 cloves of garlic until translucent to release sweetness. Aromatics are the backbone of the sauce. Once fragrant, deglaze the pan with 100 ml stock plus 2 tablespoons soy sauce and 1 tablespoon vinegar so you lift brown bits and balance acidity. Return the brown pork, reduce to a gentle simmer, and cook for 12 to 15 minutes until fork tender. Make sure to skim foam and adjust salt early. Flavors concentrate as liquid reduces. To finish, you taste and adjust. If the sauce is thin, stir 1 teaspoon cornstarch into 2 tablespoons cold water and whisk into the simmering pan until glossy. This avoids lumps and gives coating. Make sure to balance with a pinch of sugar or extra vinegar for brightness, because acidity and sweetness control depth. Once the pork is tender and sauce clings, remove from heat and rest 5 minutes so juices redistribute. If meat is tough, simmer longer on low, rather than raise heat to avoid drying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.